Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make moyashi to nira no pirikara ae. It's spicy bean sprout, another very easy and budget-friendly vegetable side. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this moyashi to nira no pirikara ae, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of bean sprout, 50 grams of garlic chive, 1 tablespoon each of sesame seeds and sesame oil, 1 teaspoon each of Chinese soup stock or chicken stock, garlic paste, and Doubanjiang hot bean paste. Let's cut the chive. I'm using garlic chive today, but if you can't find it, you can use regular chive or green onion. Cut the end off just a little bit because it's dried. Cut them into half, put them together, and just cut it into 1 inch or so all the way. Let's put it on top of the bean sprouts. Cover with the lid and microwave. 3 minutes. Take it out and mix, and another 2 minutes at 600 watts. I did 5 minutes total, and it looks everything is well cooked. If it still looks raw, do another 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, let it sit until it's touchable temperature. I left it for 10 minutes or so, and it's still warm but touchable. Let's squeeze this really well and put in a large bowl. Salad spinner won't do this job. So take some and squeeze. A lot of water came out from the bean sprout. You don't need this, so you can throw it away. Let's put all the seasonings. Sesame oil, garlic paste, hot bean paste, the soup stock, and the sesame seeds. Give it a good mix. And it's done. Let's serve in the bowl. And moyashi to nira no pirikara ae is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's incredibly flavorful, and I love the texture of the bean sprout. If you want to make it spicier, just increase the amount of the hot bean paste. Yum! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Moyashi to nira no pirikara ae is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles for the other one. Any anything you like for the other dishes. But how about gyudon here, which will also cover the main, and your favorite miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.